Good kick, Cody.
Yo, hit him with it. Hit him with that right.
That's it, Cody. Stay relaxed, man.
Hit him with that right. Good shin. Come on, player. There you go. Hey. You gave him in the face. Is that face? Is that face? I don't think that was face right there.
That's it, Cody.
Hit him with that nice right. Hit him with that nice right, Cody. Who you southpaw?
Yeah, he's a southpaw.
Oh, okay. I like that. Take him down, baby.
You got it, Cody. You got it. That's it, Cody.
Player. Watch your head, man. There you go. There's nothing. Bring him to the floor, Cody. Okay. Hey, bring him to the floor, baby.
He must have heard him because he's not coming in the way he
You gotta protect his head. Run around. There we go. People gonna coach him up.
Kick, Cody.
There we go. Put your hands up, baby. Keep them hands up. Joe, you didn't put them hands up, man. Take him down. Take him down, baby. Take him down, baby. Right there, baby. End it, baby. Right there, Cody. Cody, hook that head. There we go. That's your round, baby. That's your round. That's your round, baby. That's your round, baby. Light him up now. Come on, Cody. Take him down. Take him down, baby. He's tired right now. He's tired, Cody. Take him down. He's tired. He's tired. He's blew his load right there. He's tired. Oh. He blew his load. He's tired. Cody tired too.
Get him, Cody. Go in, Cody.
He just swinging, Cody. Oh, this is head kick show. Exactly.
So tired.
That's all the sweat right there. I ain't gonna lie. Come on, that's all you got. He's trying to knock you out with that right. Nice takedown, baby.
Again, takedown. He didn't land though.
Oh man, what's up?
No!
What's going on with you, buddy?
What's up, man? Who's our boy in there? live down?
My sister's a tri-state, but he goes to another school.
It is the zoo. He beat me up a lot. I really don't like him that much, but yeah.
What's going on? I heard you were doing some MMA now.
Yeah, I already fought last week. Fought last month.
What weight do you fight down there?
Heavyweight.
What are you cutting down to?
I cut from 300 to 255.
You get down to 255.
Yeah. There we go, Cody. There we go.
You look like you had a better ground game.
There we go,
Won
baby.
that
You won the fight. This fight. That's my man.
Make some noise for both these fighters. That's the way I like to start my Friday night right there.
That was Matt Knight fighting tonight?
He's fighting all the time in the corner, bro.
Judge 1 scores it about 30-27. Judge 2 scores it 30-27. Judge 3 scores it about 30-27. The winner by unanimous decision, fighting out of the blue corner,
Cody.
Mr. Cody Young. Give him a big round of applause.
I'm here with Cody Young. He had his first MMA fight. So what's up? You're gonna do this for fun? You're gonna pursue it? What are you gonna do?
I don't know, man. I'm gonna take a week off and get back to the hardcore training. Maybe 2 weeks. I plan on being back October 8th, and we'll take it as it comes.
You're gonna fight the same card, basically?
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay, you
I
did
felt
your
pretty
thing?
good. I like the hometown feel I got here. So,
Yeah, you got a lot of love. How'd you win this fight today?
control my range in the stand-up, and then took the guy down, and tried to get the ground and pound going. So.
Okay. That's cool. Well, congratulations on your fight, Cody. I'm coming to the next one. It's pretty exciting. Do it up. Enjoy your night. Get drunk. Whatever.
Oh yeah.
All right.